Good day and welcome to Donmar TV News Channel, mga nagbabagang balita sa buwan ng Hulyo.
Or outright, if the Secretary of Local Government would deem it necessary for your wanton then you can be suspended. And as a matter of fact, you can be terminated. Yan lang ang nakapabuti sa iba kasi ayaw. That has no place in the Philippines because everybody is bound by the national policy. Itong atin naman, ang task force is really for the good of the people, for all. Kaya we do not have any qualms in arresting people. It might, under ordinary times, that's what I'm saying, about to say kanina, is that a simple violation of not wearing a mask seems to be trivial, and social distancing, all of these things. But during times of health issues, pandemonium, you can, because it can be a serious crime. Transmitting the theory is that you are the carrier. That is why you should wear a mask so as not to pass on the infection to the other guy. Baliktad ang psychology dyan para talagang nawala sila. So, we'll have to ask our police to be more strict. So, hulihin talaga. A little shame would put them on notice forever. At sino ba naman gusto mo mahuli ka? But if you are brought to the police station and detained there, that would give you a lesson for all time. So, gano'n na. At saka makikita nila. Yung mahirap itong nasa squatters, gano'n din sa Davao, sabi nila. Sabi nila, hindi ako napunta doon. Ask the police to function the way they should in times like this. May I just add, viewing the events of COVID, yung dimensions ng COVID, in other countries, they have this efficient, yung follow-up na contact tracing. Yung iba naman, dito sa atin, mahirap, I think, but it can be done. But I said it's a Herculean task to do it. Second is yung testing ho. Do we have the capacity to do the testing for every citizen in this country? My countrymen, we continue to meet regularly to talk about our problem. Perhaps our number one problem today is the COVID. I am as mad as you. Galit ako, pareho tayo sa nangyari. And ginusto ninyo na buksan ko na ang puwerta. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko ang nagpipigil na lang sa akin, ang science. Gusto ko kasi nagalit na pati ako, nakulong na ilang buwan. Naging inutil na rin ako. I have become except for the voluminous papers na inutil na ako, wala na akong magawa na ewan ko. But, COVID is COVID. Alam ninyo, sa Amerika, sa ibang lugar, for those countries, pati China nga too early, maaga sila binuksan. Sinabi sila ng WHO, wag. Binuksan nila, ngayon nagbalik sila, parang second wave. America is still number one, with so many thousands dying. Hindi ito biro, hindi naman ito sabihin mo imbento, makikita mo naman sa TV at binabalita naman dito sa atin. So we are trying our best. We have the Secretary of spokesman to keep you informed of what we're doing. General Defense Lorenzana, Dr. Doki, who has my trust. Si General Galvez, General Anyo, ma'am. Sa education, kay isang sektor yan na worried kami. Alam mo, ang edukasyon, kinabukasan ng mga bata yan. They have to finish a course na para mabuhay sila. So, I know the apprehensions of Secretary Bruce. Pero maghintay kayo, maghintay na lang. Actually, ang pinangako ko sa inyo, kung meron ng yung vaccine, meron na final sa trial, sa Russia, binitawan na nila. I'm sure China has already won. Ang Amerika, ang takot ko lang noon, kasi nga mahirap tayo, and we need so many millions also. As a matter of fact, I would need about 110 million para mapainom ko sa lahat, para ang COVID nandyan pa, pero maging inutil na. Pag nakainom na tayo ng vaccine, yung influenza, yung H1N1, nandyan yan sila. Pero pag nakainom ka na ng vaccine, purnada na yan sila. But they remain on the air, but we are immunized already. So, maghintay lang kayo ng kunti. Para sa mga plano natin, put it something like hanggang towards the end of the year. But if there is a thing that develops which is really good for you, mauna ako. Mag-utang ako. Magpabili ako kung saan magpabili ng lupa para ibili ko ng medicine. In the meantime, wala. America, Europe, wala isa. O isa lang ang nila, o dalawa, tatlo. Social distancing. Huwag kayong magsigaw-sigawan, nakadikit-dikit. Mask. America, Russia, lahat, China, mask. Ito, importante talaga. Ngayon, kung wala kayo, I will try to buy as many as I can afford. Kung kaya ko, bigay namin yan sa inyo libre. But wear it. And, paski nagamitin mo siguro yan, 2 beses, okay mo lang. O sprayhan mo lang ng alcohol pagkatapos. Huwag yung spray mo, isuot mo kaagad. Yung pagkatapos ng araw, hang it somewhere, sprayhan mo lang ng Lysol if you can afford it. Yung wala, ibabad mo ng gasolina o diesel. Putang, inang COVID na yan. Hindi uubra yan dyan. Totoo. Wala kayong, if you want to disinfect yun, maghanap mo ng gasolina. babad mo na yung kamay mo. Layo mo lang kay baka wag sa loob ng bahay ninyo. In the meantime, ang importante talaga dito is your perseverance. That's the word. You must persevere during this time. Simplihin ko, patience. Total dadating rin yan. Marunong ang Diyos. Alam niya hindi tayo niya pababayaan. Especially Pilipinas kasi Kristiyanos tayo. So, magsakripisyo lang tayo ng konti. Total, ang ating idol, nagsakripisyo man rin. Pinaghampas-hampas, ipinako pa sa krus. Tayo pasimba-simba man lang. Luhod-luhod ganun dyan. So, dedicate it to the Lord that you also suffer for the country. Maraming salamat po.